All right. So let me see. Class. Now we're going to have, I'm going to show how to actually do a digital notebook. I've already done a couple of them here with with a couple of my different classes. But I wanted to make a video for those people that did not have Power yesterday or wanted to go back over it. So I'm starting at Office 365. So you go online, type to usually Google Chrome, go to Office 365, click to login, use a school login, and then bring up PowerPoint. So from PowerPoint, we're going to do a blank presentation. And there's a designing tool right here. Don't use any of this. You can if you want to, if you want to do this pretty stuff here. But I'm not going to use it. I'm going to show different ways of doing these, but the most basic way. So I'm going to close this. First thing, my screen or my slide size is the wrong size. So I'm going to go to design. I'm going to go through this kind of quick. So I want you, so if you're having trouble with it, back up the video. So design, go find slide size. We're going to do custom. I'm going to change this to portrait, which is up and down, and change widescreen. And I'm going to do letter paper, 8.5 by 11. So when you do 8.5 by 11, it actually takes care of the margins also. So you don't have to worry about that. Click OK. And this thing right here, you don't have to worry about it. Either way, it's not going to matter because you're going to make your own photos for this. This is, if you already have stuff in it, it's going to change it, but don't worry about it. Start with clicking title. So the notebook checklist. So I have my name, and I should probably grab a checklist. So I have my name in this one here. So I'm going to make this one nice and big. I'm going to add my other stuff here. It's got to say discrete 2. Hit enter. Interactive student notebook. Class period. So I'm going to put class period since this is going to be for mine. Really doesn't matter for all my classes.
Oh, yeah.
Close the door. I'm recording. Spring 2023. And teacher. And your name, which is going to be on top. Make it. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to move this off to the side. Same thing for this. And then I have a blank sheet here. And for this I'm going to go ahead and add some background images. So we need to add a couple things. So I'm going to do something about me, which is going to be my main background image. And this one's different than what I had earlier. That's format background. Where's insert background? Not sure. Okay, so I'm gonna do insert, because this is different than what I did last time. So I'm gonna do insert, picture, this device, and I'm gonna go through. I have a bunch of background photos that if you ever look at my background screen, this is what all the different screens that pop up. Let's go this one. This is a nice one. Tokyo Ghoul. But this one's a GIF. So let me see, that's my size. Does it fit? Slightly off. There we go. All right, so now that's on there. I think I'm gonna hate that. Hopefully it doesn't pop up. Nah, I'm gonna get rid of that one. Do a new one. So I just deleted it. Insert, new picture. Trying to find one that will actually fit better. So everything in the middle, at least. Let's go this one. Ah, dang it. Why are all of them GIFs? Dang it. This one better not be a GIF. Okay, it's not. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I am going to take this, make it a little bit bigger. And so when I print this, it's going to only have this right here. So I'm going to, I just clicked on my picture, right click, crop, and I'm going to take this into here and into here. Put my name on here. I'm going to change the format. So right, hate that thing. So right here, right click on it. I'm going to change my lettering. Something different. So if you go through the list, there is all kinds of different type of lettering, and as you read through these, they are examples. So let's see, I don't really care for cursive. There we go. And I'm going to make this a little bit bolder. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. There we go. So now I have that. So I have that up there. Now next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add this. I'm going to change this. And that was a handwriting. I don't know, which one was this? Bradley Hand, sorry. Here it is. Right here, I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. I'll bold it and italicize it. And then, so I have something about me, now math things. I actually have a whole bunch of stuff in my pictures for math. Not that one. How about this? Let's go online. Right here. And it came with a text dialog. I just got rid of it. And insert picture online again. And let's try something interesting. Financial math. Apparently you didn't like that one. How about this? We don't deal with eigenvalues, but why not? So I'm going to do a neat trick here. So if you notice, it's on top of some of these other pictures. I'm going to take this picture. I'm going to send it back. So I'm going to layer pictures. So if you notice, this one's now on top of that one. I'm going to send it back again. So now, so with this, now I got to send it back for these ones. And one more. Now it is now behind everything. So I can move this a little bit better. There we go. So now I have everything. This is going to be my notebook cover. There we go. All right, and that's it. So I just added everything I needed for my cover. There you go. And probably less than 10 minutes. All right. Make sure you guys all like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button and support my channel.